Fail to winterize your boat and you could face thousands in repairs, and that's just for the engines. It really starts to add up when damage is done to the tank and lines, upholstery, and the hull. You can prevent all this though if you're willing to winterize the boat before Old Man Winter comes around. Here's how. Clean the boat. The first step in getting your boat ready for winter storage is to clean it. Your boat is going to spend a few months sitting, so don't allow salt or anything else to corrode and eat away at your boat's materials. When finished, you'll want to make sure the boat is dried thoroughly. Plan for ventilation. One way you can prevent mold growth is to ensure there's plenty of ventilation. You could use an active ventilator that will encourage the flow of air. If you plan to shrink wrap your boat, you can use passive vents. This will allow for the flow of air. Freshwater systems. Do not leave any water in your boat untreated. This water will drop in temperature, freeze, and expand, and damage your boat. Now you have a cracked tank, fitting, pipe, or anything else. The best thing to do is drain the tank. You can use a portable pump to do this. If this isn't possible, you can pour in an antifreeze. You need to use enough to ensure all the water is treated. Do not fill the freshwater tank with antifreeze. Filling the tank to the brim with antifreeze will only create a bigger project come spring. You'll need to purge the tank of the antifreeze and clean it thoroughly. Cover the boat. The cover will protect your boat from UV rays and weather elements. A plastic tarp is the most affordable, but won't last more than a season or two. They also flap in the wind if you don't tie them down well enough. A canvas tarp is better quality, but also more expensive. You still have the potential for flapping in the wind. You can expect them to last longer at 4 to 5 seasons. The most expensive, protective, and durable option is a fitted cover. It's specifically made with your boat's shape in mind for a custom fitted shape. Shrink wrap is a plastic cover that is treated to shrink down over the boat. You've probably seen new boats delivered with this type of wrap. It's the most secure, but you also can't get inside your boat without destroying it. Treat the fuel. The fuel in your system is only stable for a certain amount of time and only in certain temperatures. Pour in an additive that will stabilize the fuel, then let the engine run for a good 10 minutes or so. This will ensure the entire system gets treated. Fog the engine. Fogging the engine means you'll use an aerosol solution to coat the inside of the engine. This protects it during the winter months from corrosion. You'll hook up your garden hose and run the engine. Then spray the fogging solution into the air intake until it's gone. Change the oil. Replacing your oil helps remove moisture. As with everything on this list, removing moisture prevents damage. If you leave this excess moisture, you'll experience excessive wear. This will lead to a loss of power and fuel economy. Then eventually you'll have engine failure. Drain the engine. If you have a stern drive or inboard, you need to drain the engine. Open the bronze plugs and remove the water pump hose. This will remove all the liquid that's currently in the system. By following these steps, winterizing a boat should be easy. With a little bit of effort now, you can ensure your boat is ready to go next spring. Find out how much it will cost to have your boat wrapped as a part of your winterization by visiting our site today. And swing by for more great insights and advice on boat ownership. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.